Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today I have for you a review on Aifaifa's brand new Christmas stamping kit available on Amazon. And I will have the link down in the description bar below. You'll want to go and check this out. They currently have a 5% coupon off of this kit that you can apply at checkout. And also you get free shipping because Amazon currently has free shipping, and this is one of the qualifying items whether you have Prime or not. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what's all in here. Again, this is by Aifaifa, and I had to the theme around this stamping kit, like if I didn't mention it before, it is a Christmas set. I have two Christmas stamping plates here full of gorgeous images, snowflakes, and oh my gosh, these snowflakes are just gorgeous. They originally came with a blue film that you have to remove. I already removed it in one of my overview videos showing my haul. I did show them how they came with the blue film, and then they came in this little plastic wrap. There it is. This is the first one. This one, here's the label on it. So I'll show you these. I mean, these images, wow, look at that. Gorgeous snowflakes. Oh my gosh. The reindeer, Christmas tree. These are the fanciest snowflakes. I mean, they could also go for some mandala maybe, but that is a true snowflake right there. And then it says, let there be joy down here. Look at that anchor. Isn't that gorgeous? So here's what it looks like on the back. It has nicely rounded edges, so it doesn't feel sharp at all. Good way to it. And here's the other one. Okay, so I went ahead and removed this one from the bag. More snowflakes here. Snowmen, Santa and angels, Christmas tree. Isn't that gorgeous? Now we'll have a close-up of these for you guys. So the kit also comes, okay, I went ahead and removed everything from their individual bags. So it came with its own scraper. This is one of those kind of pretty stiff ones that are on the thick side, and then a clear jelly stamper. Oh, that's nice and soft and sticky. That has its own cap for protection. Okay, so that's really good. This one's closed, so there you go. And also with some 3D nail charms here. These are those metallic gold, again, all Christmas themed. So there's Christmas trees in here, little bells, wreaths. Oh, there's some diamond rings and gears. Gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful. And I'll try to get you an up close look of this. We'll have some images at the end. And last but not least, here is this. This is a foil, so these are white snowflakes in a foil. See, you can see them there. They're all same size, all the same size snowflakes that you can apply with foil glue. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch on some of the images from the stamping plates, but I am also going to do a design for you using some nail tips, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here's the final look, you guys, after I apply the top coat here and I put these tips on my nails. What do you guys think? I love how it turned out. I'm very impressed, I have to say. These stamping plates, super good quality. I love all the snowflakes. It was so hard for me to choose what images I wanted to use. And it was my first time using these little gold medal nail art decorations. And yes, so they are flat and very straight. But I managed to do a couple of things. I managed to bend the Christmas tree off camera because it was going to be my first time. I wasn't sure what I was going to be, how it was going to work. I used two tweezers to bend the Christmas tree just a little bit, and then the others, since I had done some flash cure to keep them in place and they wouldn't move while they were there flash cured, and anything that was poking out, let me try to show you the profile, anything that I saw straight, you know, that was not curved with a nail, I pressed down on it after they were cured with the tweezers. So just with something flat, you notice, see the snowflakes, so there's nothing poking out. And of course after you apply top coat, they feel much better. And also the snowflake, like this one right here on the side, I was able to clip half of it with just a pair of clippers. So, and that it clipped really well and pretty easy. The stamper, oh, this worked magnificent. I love this. It's a squishy one, so I like that it's a sticky one, so I do like how well it works. And also the scraper, I was surprised, you know, for being one of the ones this on the thicker side, it worked really well, at least against these stamping plates. So yeah, a very good quality set, I have to say, guys. Remember, available on Amazon. I will have the links down in the description bar below. If you guys have any questions, please leave them and I'll be happy to answer anything about this. Remember, so Amazon currently has the free shipping, and I saw that there is a 5% off coupon that you apply at checkout. So I would like to thank Aifaifa for sending me this beautiful set to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.